of this community.
I think this is awesome. This has been an awesome event. This has been an awesome time. This is something that I wasn't sure if it's ever going to happen, to go ahead and change the name to something that more represents what this community is striving to be more like, which is to have unity.
I think it's good. I'm excited for about my new teacher.
We're striving to have an identity that we want everyone else to understand and know about. A lot of times this community has been forgotten, and so what this represents is us coming up and coming together and making us a bigger part of the conversation to this city.